Guys, we got our Volunteer offset rolling out shop today. This one going all the way to Washington State. All right, so she's got a haul ahead of her. It's all loaded out on her off-road package. All right, we got our upgraded wheels and tires from our guys modded down in Texas. Appreciate y'all. Stainless steel front shelf here. And on the smoke chamber, he did add our counterweight. You don't have to have the counterweight, guys, but it does make it a little easier to open that door. On the inside here, we've got our normal bottom and top grate, and then he's also added our rib racks. This is great for doing ribs or chicken wings. You basically get a whole extra grate in there when you don't need all the height. Works out good. Do have a built-in water pan shelf off to the side here. That way you can set your water pan back in there and not take up any cooking room. 1-inch ball valve grease drain down below. Of course, the stainless steel shelf, paper towel, utensil holder. Now on the firebox, he has added our built-in griddle top with the grease drain out the front. Guys, it is nice to have a surface that's already hot while you're smoking, ready to go. Inside, we've got 3/8 thick pipe here. Holds heat great, not gonna burn out on you. D-ring tie downs, one on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down. And the smokestack is removable on this one. That way, rolling in and out of your garage, easy to do. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.